Hi guys! Today is day 80. Yes, less than 3 weeks to go. And as I told you a while back, my little box is filling up with these strange little things that I seem to pick up off of my table and then not to do anything with. So today I am going to do something with a bunch of those. Don't know what yet, but something. The project, if one continues to want to, they can extend the project. I probably will not be, because I'd like this book to be finished, and I'm going to bind it as a book. I do want to try to continue to do something creative every day. I try to do that anyways. I can't think what else I wanted to say to you. I guess I'm a little tired today. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and work on my collage, and I will talk to you later. Alrighty. I used all those little pieces of page edges, and while I've liked that in the past, I'm not sure I like it on this one, but that's the way it works some days. This image sort of became obscured by all the other stuff I laid on top of it. So this page may be a little too busy again. I've done that a couple of times recently, so I'm not sure exactly why, but sorry for the shadows. Anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book, and I am going to go on and finish up the other projects I have for today. The mind serves us well when we need to find the sensible solution to a problem. In creative matters, however, it is always the heart that leads us in the right direction. I don't know that that's always true, but somebody feels that way. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. Have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.